Okay, to update the assignment instructions with the video links, you would scroll down to the assignment, click on the edit button, click on show more. If it has this text here, you can just enter it down and it'll show below the assignment, and you can just write, please watch this video prior to attempting the assignment, period. And I've already copied the link, so then you would paste it. And then you are done. So you can go to save and return to course to make sure it worked. And you could scroll all the way back down and you should see it here. Obviously make sure that the subject of the assignment matches the actual assignment. Many classes have 2 assignments, but other than that, pretty easy peasy. Let me know if you have any issues.